yeah. Look, you made it all the way up to the where I work. When I do. I don't know how she got here. Oh, yes, maybe I do. Maybe she went up that ramp. Across the desk. Down that ramp. And through that hole. So I've cleared out quite a bit. Quite a bit. I covered that window up there. Keep the sunlight from melting us. There we are. What? I've even got Christmas lights out here. You weirdo. What'd you say? Nothing. All right. That's... Oh, God, you're so cute a doggy. I know. Look at that little girl up here. I'm not going to get in the way, though. Let me nudge this toward you so you have to pick it up off the floor. Oh. Anyway, there you go. There's the workbench area. Semi-cleaned up. So, anyway, back to work. Thank you. Thank you.